how to make chocolate cake. Gabby helped her mother bake their favorite cake. First, they prepared the baking tin, spoon, bowl, and other utensils. Next, they gathered all the ingredients for the cake like flour, sugar, butter, milk, chocolate, and some eggs. Then, they mixed all the ingredients in the bowl and poured the mixture in the baking tin. Lastly, she placed it inside the oven. After an hour, the cake was ready. Gabby added some icing and fruits on top of the cake. Everybody enjoyed Gabby's special chocolate cake. What did Gabby and her mother bake? Number 2. What did they prepare before baking the cake? Number 3. What ingredients were used to bake the cake? Number 4. What steps did they follow in baking the cake? Look for the signal words in the paragraph. Number 5. Why do you think everybody enjoyed the cake?